Welcome back to the Machine Whisperer. In February 2025, one of the hottest topics in the banking sector is how artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, are revolutionizing fraud detection and prevention. As fraud becomes increasingly sophisticated, banks are turning to AI-driven solutions to stay one step ahead of cybercriminals. In today's video, we'll explore how these technologies are reshaping fraud detection, the methodologies behind them, and the benefits for banks and customers alike. If you're in banking, fintech, or just passionate about AI, this is a conversation you don't want to miss. Let's dive right in. The growing threat of fraud in banking. Fraud in banking is not a new concept, but its scale and complexity have grown significantly in recent years. With the rise of online banking, mobile payments, and digital transactions, cybercriminals have developed new tactics to exploit vulnerabilities. According to recent studies, global banking fraud losses exceeded $40 billion in 2024, and these numbers are projected to rise unless banks adopt more advanced fraud detection tools. Traditional fraud detection methods rely on static rules and manual analysis, which are increasingly ineffective against sophisticated attacks like phishing, account takeovers, and synthetic identity fraud. This is where AI and machine learning come into play, offering a dynamic, adaptive, and scalable approach to fraud prevention. How AI and machine learning detect fraud. AI and ML systems are designed to process immense amounts of data in real time, identify patterns, and detect anomalies. Here's how they work in fraud detection. Data collection and analysis. AI systems start by collecting and analyzing data from various sources such as transaction histories, customer profiles, and device information. Machine learning algorithms then identify patterns that represent typical customer behavior. For example, a customer may have a pattern of small weekly purchases at a local grocery store. If the system detects an unusually large transaction from a foreign country, it flags the activity as suspicious. Anomaly detection machine learning models excel at identifying anomalies, actions that deviate from the norm. These could include unusual login attempts from unfamiliar devices, multiple failed login attempts in a short period of time, sudden changes in spending habits, such as high-value purchases in unfamiliar locations. By using historical data to train models, AI systems can differentiate between legitimate anomalies, e.g., a customer traveling abroad, and malicious ones, e.g., account takeover attempts. Real-time decision-making. One of the greatest advantages of AI is its ability to work in real time. Fraud detection systems powered by AI can instantly flag or block suspicious transactions, preventing fraud before it occurs. For example, if an AI system detects a potentially fraudulent transaction, it can automatically freeze the account and alert the customer. 4. Self-learning capabilities. Unlike traditional systems, AI doesn't rely solely on pre-programmed rules. Instead, it continuously learns from new data and adapts to emerging fraud patterns. For instance, if a new type of phishing scam emerges, the AI system analyzes the data from the first few attempts and updates its algorithms to detect and prevent similar scams in the future. Benefits of AI-powered fraud detection. Here's why banks are embracing AI and machine learning for fraud detection. Increased accuracy. Machine learning models can process large data sets and identify fraudulent behavior with higher accuracy than traditional systems, reducing false positives and negatives. Real-time action. AI-driven systems can identify and respond to threats instantly, minimizing financial losses and protecting customers. Cost efficiency. By automating fraud detection, banks save on labor costs and reduce the financial impact of fraud. Customer trust. Enhanced fraud detection builds trust with customers who feel more secure using the bank's services. Real-world applications of AI in fraud detection. Behavioral biometrics. Banks are using behavioral biometrics, such as how a customer types or navigates a website, to detect fraud. AI systems analyze these subtle behaviors to confirm the user's identity and flag suspicious activity. Card fraud prevention. AI systems monitor credit and debit card transactions in real time, flagging unusual activity. For instance, if a card is suddenly used in 2 countries simultaneously, the system automatically blocks the card and notifies the customer. AML, anti-money laundering. Compliance. Machine learning models are helping banks comply with AML regulations by identifying suspicious transactions that could indicate money laundering. AI systems can analyze vast data sets to detect patterns associated with illegal activities. Fraudulent loan applications. Banks use AI to verify the authenticity of loan applications by cross-referencing information from multiple data sources, detecting forged documents or false identities. The future of AI in fraud detection. As fraudsters continue to evolve, so too will AI and machine learning systems. Here are some future trends to watch. Explainable AI, XAI. AI systems will become more transparent, making it easier for banks to understand and justify decisions to regulators and customers. Blockchain integration. Blockchain technology will enhance fraud detection by creating immutable transaction records that AI can analyze for anomalies. Collaborative AI. Banks and financial institutions will share anonymized data to improve fraud detection systems collectively. The end goal is clear: to create a banking ecosystem that is not only secure but also efficient and customer-friendly. In conclusion, AI and machine learning are not just tools. They are essential allies in the fight against fraud in the banking sector. By detecting suspicious activity in real time, adapting to new threats, and reducing operational costs, these technologies are transforming how banks protect themselves and their customers. What are your thoughts on AI-powered fraud detection? Do you think it's the future of banking security? Let me know in the comments below. At The Machine Whisperer, we're passionate about exploring how technologies like AI are reshaping industries. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.